Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will find all the subsequences of a given word or a given sequence. So let's discuss the problem statement. Problem statement says that we have to find all possible subsequences for a given sequence. What are subsequences? Subsequences are basically sets of elements present in a sequence in same order that they appear in the original sequence. A subsequence is derived from another sequence by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of remaining elements. So the problem is to find all possible subsequences for a given sequence, which is a string in our case. For example, let's say we have a string ABC, then the subsequences for this string will be A, AB, ABC, AC, B, BC, and empty string. Also, we include empty string as one of the valid subsequence. So I hope you got the problem statement. Now let's try to solve this problem stepwise. If you remember all the steps, first is identifying what the function should do. So this function is named getSubsequences. We are going to get all the subsequences for that string. So input parameter to this function is a string. So this word here is of type string. And this method getSubsequences also returns a string because we can concat every subsequence separated by comma and then return it as a string. So the return type is also string. Now the second step, let's see how we can divide this problem into subproblems. So to get an n-1 or length-1 subproblem, we can exclude a letter and we can assume that for the remaining substring, our function already works. So if we call the function for the remaining substring, which is BC, it will give us all the subsequences of BC, right? We're assuming it. Now the third step. Third step is adding up or using the result from the previous problem to construct the solution of the original problem. So from these subsequences of BC, how we can form the subsequences of ABC? It is for sure that these subsequences of BC are also subsequences of ABC, right? So let's again see what would be the subsequences of ABC. So if we concat the letter A to all the subsequences of BC, we can get the remaining part. So see, it becomes ABC, AB, AC, and A. So to get this remaining part, we just need to concat the current letter or the first letter to all the subsequences returned by the recursive call. That's it. So we first detach the first letter from the sequence and then call method recursively to get the subsequences of remaining substring, and then we concat all the comma separated subsequences to first letter. Along with that, we also return the subsequences of remaining letters that we add up in the result. Now the fourth and the last step is identifying the base condition. So when you reach at the end of the string, you're just left with empty string. So in base case, we'll return an empty string.